I got mad at my girlfriend today and opened her MacBook Air I had wrapped under the tree, rewrapped it, and addressed it to my son. My girlfriend and I got into a huge argument about Christmas spending for our kids. We each have one from a previous relationship, her daughter and my son. We had agreed to a $1,000 budget for each kid, and last week we finished shopping, staying within that limit. Everything seemed fine, until today. Out of nowhere, she tells me she wants to buy her daughter an iPhone XS Max, which costs at least $1,200. That would push her daughter's Christmas total way over the agreed budget. I immediately said no. Our finances are shared, so this isn't just about her money, her choice. It's about fairness, and this wasn't fair. We argued for 3 days. She kept insisting, saying her daughter really needed it, while I argued we couldn't spend that much extra. It's not like we could just drop another $1,200 on my son to even things out. $2,200 per kid is insane. Sure, my son might never know, but that's not the point. It's favoritism, plain and simple. The last fight got really heated. She kept defending her decision, and I finally hit my breaking point. I walked over to the tree, grabbed the present I had bought her, a MacBook Air, opened it right in front of her, and rewrapped it. Then, I addressed it to my son. I told her, now the budgets are mostly even. Give or take $100. She was speechless, and honestly, I don't regret it. I'm tired of the double standards and excuses. If she wants to play favorites, fine, but I'll make sure things stay fair where it matters. Merry Christmas, bitch.